We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do because there are loads of different apps out there. You can go and get games. You can go and get work and productivity apps. For example, you can go and get Zoom for your meetings. You can go and get other things as well. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. There are different ways you can go about this depending upon your current situation and what you're trying to go and get. For example, if you've got a specific app in mind or you want to go and browse, which is full guide, so you go and know the different options you've got. So for this first option, if there's a specific app in mind you want to get, we need to go and head to the manufacturer's site. So we can come to Microsoft Edge. Now, the app I want is called Audacity. This is a audio recording app. So what we can then do is go and type it in. Of course, you may have a different app in mind. Go and search for it. Make sure you go to the official manufacturer's site. This is audacityteam.org. Then you can come to the top and you can go and press on downloads. You can then go and find Windows. And I'm just going to get the 64-bit installer here. Now it's going to go and download like so. We can go and find the downloader by coming to our file explorer at the bottom. Go to the left and find downloads. And then we've got the installer here. So what I'm going to do is double click on it. You'll get a Windows GUIDE pop up and we can press yes. And then you can go and choose your language. And we can go through the rest of the installer. So read this through, make sure you agree and press next. Choose the install location, that's fine. Press next and press install. Now it's going to go and install. It shouldn't go and take long. We can then go and launch it. And you've now downloaded and installed an app. As you can see, it should go and launch. And you've got the shortcut here as well. So I can now go and start using it. Now, alternatively, you may want to go and browse apps. And there's actually going to be an app store on our computer we can do this with. So if you don't want to go directly to the manufacturer's site, we can go and use the app store. So this store is called Microsoft Store. So to go and access it, you come down to the bottom, press search, and you can go and type in store or Microsoft Store. It should go and appear. As you can see, there it is. What we can then do is go and click on it, and it's going to go and open up. If you look to the left, you can go through the apps. You've got gaming as well. Let's say we click apps. You can then go and scroll through here and you can go and find different apps and different categories. If you've got one in mind, you can search for it at the top as well. For example, here's Zoom. I want to get that. Let's click on it. Then all you need to do is go and press install like so. Then it's going to go and download and install. Just go and be patient when this completes. You can go and see the progress just here. It now says installed. So what we can then do is press search at the bottom and we'll go and type in Zoom and there it is. We can then go and click on it to go and open it up. It's now open and we can go and use it. So that's how you can go and download apps.